Once a symbol of luxury, now forgotten. It was bigger than they expected.
After years, it would finally move.
For the first time in years, the jet begins to rise. The ocean slowly lets go.
And then it came back to the surface.
A luxury jet lost to time.
Up close, the damage tells the full story. Years of neglect, carved into its surface. This wasn't a simple job. It needed power.
The ocean finally lets it go.
Now fully exposed, its true condition is clear. What remained was a broken shell.
It had been found. Now it would be reborn. Not everything comes off easily.
The real damage begins to show.
From damaged to clean.
Now the difference is clear.
Time had weakened it. Now it breaks away.
Some damage, fights back.
To go deeper, the jet must be opened. The inside held the real story.
At the core, everything begins here. The heart.
The damage is removed, layer by layer. Nothing stays broken.
Everything had to go.
It wasn't gone, just hidden. Years of damage washed away.
Rebuilding begins. The heart, fully restored, stronger than before. Once beautiful, now destroyed.
It wasn't just the outside. Everything needed saving.
What was ruined could still be restored. Not just restored, upgraded. Luxury is in the details. It was coming back to life.
Light brings it to life.
Every system must be perfect.
For the first time,
Power returns. After years, it wakes up. To fly again, it had to be made whole. Some parts needed a new beginning.
Perfection begins here.
Before the beauty comes the base.
The transformation begins. Luxury returns. This is the moment.
The final layer seals everything, flawless and protected. Now, it shines like new.
Smooth, flawless, perfect. Perfection in every drop.
Flawless.
Even the smallest detail, flawless. Nothing overlooked. Even a single drop shows perfection. Flawless surface. Perfection from every angle.
Ready for flight?
For the first time, it moves.
The heart beats again.
Smooth, powerful, perfect. Ready to fly.
Everything is ready. Time to fly.
Positioned perfectly, everything aligned.
The front, sharp and powerful, ready for the sky.
Inside, pure luxury. A space reborn.
After everything, it moves again. From ground to sky. Reborn.
Now, it belongs here, back in the sky.
A perfect machine, restored, stronger than ever. The story ends here. Luxury, perfected.